Thinking about replacing your windows? Stop before you buy the wrong material. What type of window material is best? One of the most common questions homeowners ask. The honest answer is, it depends on your priorities. Vinyl for value. If you want affordability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency, vinyl windows are often the most practical choice. They resist moisture, never need painting, and generally perform well in Georgia's climate. Fiberglass for performance. If durability and long-term stability matter most, fiberglass windows are often considered premium. They resist warping, expand and contract less with temperature changes, and can offer excellent energy performance. Wood for beauty. Wood windows offer timeless character and insulation, but require regular maintenance to prevent moisture damage, rot, or peeling paint. Aluminum for strength. Aluminum windows are sleek and durable, but generally transfer heat more easily unless they include a thermal break. The best window? It depends on your home, budget, and goals. Questions about windows, doors, or trim? Call 706-426-1082 or visit euroalign.com.